Hospitals in South Florida are working around the clock to keep up with the coronavirus as it spreads across the region.
CBS 4's Joan Murray is live outside Memorial Regional Hospital in Hollywood with the very latest on that part of the story. Joan?
Well, of course, healthcare is a major component of this coronavirus crisis. We want to know when we go to an emergency room that we can get treated, and also that a hospital bed will be available if needed. So a sign of the times, of course, you see at your local hospitals these white tents popping up everywhere. They are nothing more than a pre-screening effort by hospitals in South Florida to get on top of this coronavirus outbreak. And we have also learned more about that topic we've been hearing a lot about, which the governor talked about over the weekend, the public-private partnership to get drive-through testing.
With Broward County coronavirus cases topping 36, some residents said they are paying attention to social distancing recommendations, limiting contact to not get sick.
So I have asthma and stuff like that. My mom is older, she's very in case, you don't know.
A little bit scary, you don't know what to do. But I'm gonna stay inside for the next 14 days because I can't go visit Mom's. She's in a nursing home.
South Florida hospitals have set up tents outside their emergency rooms to pre-screen people who may have the virus and avoid infecting others.
It is definitely critically important for all of us to stay in communication with one another throughout this rapidly evolving public health crisis.
Broward State Representative Chevron Jones hosted a teleconference with lawmakers, healthcare providers, and state officials on the coronavirus outbreak.
Our message right now and our main focus is, of course, the elderly population. In terms of social distancing and ensuring that community is appropriately cared for and is following appropriate protocols is essential.
The state, in collaboration with the Memorial Healthcare System, is working on setting up mobile testing sites for the coronavirus. We learned they expect to have the drive-through up by the end of the week. The focus will be on the elderly. The location will be Flamingo and Pines. The National Guard and Florida Department of Law Enforcement will assist in the setup.
And we have also learned that the Cleveland Clinic is going to be setting up mobile testing sites in South Florida. I am told that they expect to have their mobile sites up by the end of the week. Stay tuned for the locations. But again, this is not going to be a case where just anybody, anytime can show up at these sites. You're going to have to meet certain criteria. Cleveland Clinic told me that you would need a doctor's order or go online to their telemedicine site to get clearance to show up at one of these centers. There's going to be a lot more on these mobile sites developing over the next few days, and we'll bring you the latest as it happens. Reporting in Hollywood tonight, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.